Ms. Potts, I received your question. I want to find the probability, interpret the results. I guess we're working on the first part here. Convenient use technology, find the probability, which you probably will want to use your TI-80 calculator for this. During a certain week, the mean price of gas was $2.712. So that says the mean is $2.712 per gallon. I'll leave the units off. A random sample of 38 gas stations, and so that's N. We have a sample. Our sample size is 38. What is the probability the mean price for the sample was between these two prices here? Assume standard deviation. Oh, that symbol didn't come through. That standard deviation is $0.042. So standard deviation for a population is 0.042. So we have the mean for a population, we have the sample for a population, we have the mean for a population, we have standard deviation for a population. Now we're taking a sample of it, and we need the standard deviation for a sample. And so the formula for standard deviation of a sample, now you use this symbol here, is the standard deviation of the population over square root of n. And so that would be 0.042 over the square root of 38. And so that comes out to like 0.00681. And so this will be the standard deviation for the sample of 38. And now we want to find out the prices of gas between these two numbers here. Let's see. Let's move this up a little bit over here. So the two prices are gas. One of them is $2.696, and the other one was 2.721. So we want to find the price of gas between those two. Well, what you have to do is find the z-scores for these. So you take these, subtract the mean from them, and divide it by the sample deviation. Remember, the mean for the population is equal to the mean for the sample, and so we would use this as our mean here. I'm using the formula z-score equals our particular score minus the mean over the standard deviation, where in this case, this is for the population, and we need to do it for a sample, and so we would use this number, and the mean for sample and population are the same. So the z-score here I need to subtract the mean, and then divide that by the standard deviation for the sample. And you do the same thing here. Okay, so that would give you a lower z-score. This would give you an upper, I'll call this an upper z-score. Okay, so it give you two z-scores. I'm going to stop here. You subtract and divide here, and subtract and divide here. You got two z-scores. Then you want to find the area between those, which was the previous section. And the TI calculator, we discussed how to put that into the calculator to finish it. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more problems with this question.